Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating and having fun with polar bears. Come on with me, guys. Alright, so I'm starting out here with this ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree's Plus section. I love this ribbon. So I'm noticing the wire is not as sturdy as I would like, but we're going to go ahead and start out with 3 strips. I do have a step-by-step tutorial on this bestie bow that's coming up right this evening, right after this video. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Fun with Polar Bears, Open Collaboration. And this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have some beautiful co-hosts, and that is Donna Decor and More, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Secondhand Tracy Ann. So I have been having a lot of fun working with these polar bears, but honestly speaking, to be a host, Design with Emma is absolutely wonderful with these polar bears, and I'm just going to do my best to show you what I use in putting this together with polar bears. So I am in love with the polar bears now, and what a wonderful theme for the winter DIYs that are coming up or just decorating with them. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Now, I would love for you guys to head on over to a video that I will be releasing this evening right after this one. That one will show you how I make the bestie bow in a little bit more detail. Right now, I'm just trying to get this bow done. I already got 2 in the background done. For the other 2 items, I'm going to embellish. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music until we move on to the next item. So we are at the point here where we're fluffing out that bow. This is like my favorite part, and I love the buffalo check. Okay, so I'm just adding on those two other bows. Let's move on to the next step. So here we are with my tieredtray, and I love this farmhouse tieredtray. It is beautiful. So I emptied that out, and now I'm just trying to decide what I'm going to put where. And you guys know that I'm going to move stuff around until I'm happy with the placement. So I'm going to leave you to some music here so that you can see how this tieredtray turned out. So I think this tieredtray came out absolutely beautiful after all that moving around. Now we're gonna move on over to the next item I decorated. So with this one, I decided to go ahead and decorate this clothes. This is actually a really good idea to these polar bears, and I am loving it. So let's see how I decide to go ahead and decorate the clothes. So I'm really loving the cloche idea. I like the tier tray, but I think so far the cloche idea I'm loving. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the next item I'm going to decorate with polar bears. But this came out beautiful, guys. Now, this vignette tray I purchased at the plus section of the Dollar Tree. This is an absolutely beautiful. They come out with some nice stuff during Valentine's Day and Mother's Day, and this tray was one of them. Well worth it. I think I paid $5 for this. So why not display the polar bear on a vignette tray? I love that idea. All right, so I'm attaching that final bow on this candle holder. By the way, that candle holder is beautiful. Dollar Tree's carrying it, and I am loving it. So let's head on over to the reveal so you can take a closer look. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. And I also want to give a special thank you to Design with Emma for hosting this collaboration with me. I also want to thank Donna and Sandy Lynn, and also Tracy Ann for joining in this collaboration.